Welcome back viewers to another brand new video about unboxing and review of MI dual driver in-ear earphones. But before starting, I would like to thank all of my viewers and subscribers to support my newly started channel to grow and completing 100 plus subscribers. Looking forward to get your support again and again. Okay, in today's video I will cover unboxing, the main features, mic quality check, the pros and cons, and my personal opinion. And don't skip the video and watch till the end so you won't miss anything. So without wasting so much of your time, let's finish the unboxing. The package contains the earphone, 2 pairs of extra earpods and the user manual. This is all you get in the box. The magnets behind those speakers are strong enough to hold each other, or you can stick them to any metal surface that attract by magnets. These earphones are suitable for those users who wants to record voice and want to buy an external mic. This is where you can save your money. This earphone has a built-in high-quality internal mic that gives you almost same quality that an affordable budget mic can give you. Let me show you the quality comparison. At this point, pause this video and use your earphones for your better experience of this voice quality comparison. Hello, mic check, hello. This voice is recorded with my phone's default inbuilt mic. Now let me show you the voice quality recorded with my MI dual drive earphones mic. Hello, hello, mic check. This voice is recorded in my same phone but with MI dual drive earphones mic. See, you can already tell the difference. And also I am recording my audio through the whole video with these earphones built-in mic. You can see how much the noise cancellation is effective. What do you think about this voice record quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to bring more useful videos for you. Thanks in advance. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. We already know the good quality voice record and the great noise cancellation. Except that the speaker sound quality is very nice and clear, no haziness is present. And the bass is very pure and perfect. Even at the maximum volume, the bass doesn't get hazy. The nylon braided wire keeps your earphones secure and protected, and free from mess when you keep it in your backpack or in your pocket. Now Let me show you the cons from my perspective. The first negative point I observe is pain in the ear. When you are using this earphone for more than 1.5 hours or 2 hours, this part of your ear hurts. Sadly, I must say that this earphone is not so comfortable for long time usage. But if you are using it for less than an hour, it may be fine for you. The second negative point is the identical buttons. Sometimes it is confusing to press the correct button as you need. As example, I can say when I try to reduce the volume, I press the play pause button, and same happens when I try to increase the volume, again I accidentally press the play pause button. All because when you are wearing this earphone, you can hardly see the buttons, and the buttons, 3 of them, are so identical. You can hardly feel the difference with your bare fingers. So when you go for jogging or gym, this issue could occur to you. And the final minor negative point is the nylon braided wire is situated only at the bottom half part. The upper half part of the wire is made of simple rubber. The wire could break from this point in case of accidental pulls. So you have to be more careful about this. These are all the pros and cons at my point of view. If I am missing something, please let me know in the comment section down below. And please don't forget to press the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. There are some plus points and also there are some minus points. But if you see overall, the low price, the premium looking build, I think those little minus points could be considered. And I will give it a score of 8 out of 10. And I will definitely suggest to buy this budget earphone, MI Dual Drive in-ear earphones. I have given the link in the description box if you want to buy this earphone. I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Don't forget to press the like button if this video is worthy. Thank you again and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.